Hi everybody, this is Jason with STTS Fab. Coming here, just put a little video together. We made a little sign plate for under the mailbox, and it's 3 pieces. We cut them out, they still need to be cleaned up. And then what I'm going to do is put them together, and we'll weld it to make one big sign and clean up everything. So I got to get everything out ready, get the welder pulled out, hooked up. We're going to actually TIG weld all this, so it'll be a nice little video of a little TIG welding finally. So let's get to work. Okay, what I did, I went around them with the grinding pad, cleaned up all the burrs. I come back with Scotch-Brite and just did a nice little pattern on them. The outer faces are cleaned up, the backs just no pattern. I just made that straight. So we're going to put all 3 of them together, and I'm going to weld all the way around them. So you have this nice little backing in it. The reason we're doing it is when you put them together, you got to have them opposite from each other so you can read it from both sides when you're coming down the street the right way. So I'm going to get the welder out, get set up, and we'll get it welded. Okay, well, I'm running for a TIG weld setup. I got a CK road wide torch. Forget what size this is. Oh, it's the ZK9. For the cup on stainless steel, I run a, if you can see an edge. This is a 12. I mean, this is only 60 gauge. I'm going to only run a 16th tungsten on it. I'll show you the welder setup after I get going at the end, so I know it's running right. Okay, I'll show you what settings I was running. So let's pick it up. I was running 50 amps. My post flow was 1 second. My post flow was 12 seconds. And it's just DC TIG right there. Nothing else. It was a little hot in the spot, but this is weird. It's still hot, but I'll try to show you it. Wow, that's close to it. It's hot. I did get a little hot on the edge. So for the most part, I am going to take a wire wheel and run it if you want to see the heat lines. There's the heat lines. It's got to cool off more, but the battery's about dead on the camera. It's late at night, and I'm just going to clean it up and call it night. I'll save enough battery to show you a quick picture at the end. Okay, I'm back. So here we go, it's cooled off, cleaned it up with the light hit it. You can see the welds. Just wire wheeled them. Came back, took the coloring back off it. That's just to hang under a mailbox, so when people drive by, they can see. I think we're going to inlay some paint, but it reads proper on both sides. But that's the final sign. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Check us out at sttsfab.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye.